If you've ever driven through rural Wisconsin or anywhere with wildlife, you know how quickly a deer can jump onto the road. So, what happens if you hit one? Let's break down how your auto insurance handles that kind of accident. First, hitting a deer is not considered a collision with another vehicle. It's treated as a comprehensive claim. Comprehensive coverage helps pay for damage caused by things outside your control, like weather, theft, falling objects, or, yes, animals. When you file a claim, your insurer deducts the amount of your comprehensive deductible, usually between $250 and $1,000. After that, your policy pays for the repairs up to your vehicle's actual cash value. People often ask, is it covered if I swerve and hit a tree instead of the deer? In that case, the damage would fall under collision coverage, not comprehensive. That's an important difference, so make sure both types are included in your policy. After reporting the claim, your insurance company will schedule an inspection, determine repair costs, and help coordinate the body shop. If your car is totaled, you'll receive a payout based on market value minus the deductible. The takeaway? Comprehensive coverage is what protects you from unexpected wildlife accidents. It's smart to carry it, especially in areas where deer crossings are common. Stay alert and make sure your auto policy gives you the protection you deserve.